press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Hello children. Subject EVS. Topic community and class 5th. Okay, in previous class we study about what is the community and rural community, urban community and tribal community, isn't it? Okay, in this class we study about different types of community. In this class we discuss here different types of community. Okay, community of like-minded people come together to exchange their ideas and opinions. For example, community of people who are interested in folklore and arts. We called community of people, folklore and art community. Understood? Once again, community of like-minded people come together to exchange their ideas and opinions. For example, community of people who are interested in folklore and arts. Okay. Second example, it means where people all over it means have their own community people. We see here one community of people where people all over the country or state gather together and have their own decisions. It's called own community, their own community of people. For example, community of people, folklore and arts. Okay. ಅಂದರೆ ಒಂದೇ ವಿಷಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಆಸಕ್ತಿ ಇರುವಂತಹ ಜನ ತಮ್ಮ ಅಭಿಪ್ರಾಯಗಳನ್ನು ಹಂಚಿಕೊಳ್ಳಲು ಒಂದಾಗಿರುವ ಸಮುದಾಯವನ್ನು ನಾವೇನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? ಜಾನಪದ ಆಸಕ್ತಿಗರ ಸಮುದಾಯ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಓನ್ ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಟಿ. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್? ಬಿಕಾಸ್ people here all over the country or state gather together and have their own decision. That's why they form own community. Next, teachers are all over the state, all over the districts come together and have decision how to improve the quality education. And so many other things here they discussed. Understood? That's why they are making a community. They have one community. Understood? We see teachers community also. They also form a community. Teachers community. In this community, teachers are all over the state or districts come together and have discussion how to improve the quality education, how to improve the quality of education and so many things discussed here. That's why they are form a teachers community. Okay. Community of people who work together to bring change or to achieve something. For example, community of nature lover. Understood? Once again, see here different types of community. Okay, we see community of people, folklore and art. These people, they form own community. Understood? Why they make this community? Because where people all over the country or state gather together and have their own decision. That's why they own their community. Okay, next we see teachers community. Like teachers are here, people belongs to same profession. In teachers community, we see here people belongs to same occupation or same occasion come together to form a community. Like teachers are community of teacher. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದೇ ವೃತ್ತಿಯಲ್ಲಿರುವಂತಹ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಗಳು ಒಂದುಗೂಡಿ ಒಂದು ಸಮುದಾಯವನ್ನು ಕಟ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಉದಾಹರಣೆಗೆ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರ ಸಮುದಾಯವನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಬಹುದು. ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರು ಕೂಡ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಅವರೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡ ಒಂದು ಸಮುದಾಯವನ್ನು ರಚಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಈ ಸಮುದಾಯದ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಗಳು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಅವರ ವೃತ್ತಿಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಂತೆ ಅನೇಕ ಅಂದರೆ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣದಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿಯ ಬದಲಾವಣೆಯನ್ನು ತರಬೇಕು, ಉತ್ತಮ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಶಿಕ್ಷಣವನ್ನು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು, ಗುಣಮಟ್ಟದ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣವನ್ನು ನಾವು ಹೇಗೆ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಅವರ ಕುಂದುಕೊರತೆಗಳನ್ನು ಇರಬಹುದು, ಸಮಸ್ಯೆಗಳನ್ನು ಇರಬಹುದು, ಎಲ್ಲವನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರು ಅವರ ಗುಂಪಿನ ಒಂದೇ ವೃತ್ತಿಯ ಗುಂಪಿನ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಜನ ಸೇರಿಕೊಂಡು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಅವರ ವೃತ್ತಿಯ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಇರಬಹುದು, ಅದರ ಅಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿಯ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಅವರು ಡಿಸಿಷನ್ ಅನ್ನು ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರ ಸಮುದಾಯ ಅಂತಾನೆ ನಾವು ಹೇಳಬಹುದು. ಓಕೆ, ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡ ಒಂದೇ ವೃತ್ತಿಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೇರಿದವರಾಗಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಇನ್ ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ profession we see all teachers are all over the state, all over the districts come together, have decision and how to improve the quality of education and so many other things discussed here. Next one is community of people who work together to bring change or achieve something we call, for example, community of nature lovers. Okay, like these people get together when they get together because of their interest, time, leisure, practice, occupation and hobby. They form their own communities, isn't it? Communities are not only formed among families but also between person because ಆಫ್ ದೇರ್ ಇಂಡಿವಿಜುವಲ್ ರಿಲೇಶನ್ಶಿಪ್. ಬರೀ ಕುಟುಂಬದ ಸಮುದಾಯಗಳು ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅಲ್ಲದೆ ಅವರ ಆಸಕ್ತಿಗೆ ಅನುಗುಣವಾಗಿ ಅವರ ವೈಯಕ್ತಿಕವಾಗಿಯೂ ಕೂಡ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಅವರಿಗೆ ಅವರ ವೃತ್ತಿಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಂತೆ ಅವರ ಸಮುದಾಯಗಳನ್ನು ಅವರು ಕಟ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ. ಅಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದೀಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾಸ್ಟ್, ರಿಲಿಜನ್, ಏಮ್, ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್, ಕಲ್ಚರ್, ಏಜ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸೆಕ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸೆಟ್ರಾ ಆಲ್ಸೋ basis for formation of community. You have already learnt about the jobs or occupation. Okay, do you know how many people help to get the food you eat? Next, can you tell me how we get food? How many people help to get the food? How many people help to get the food you eat? Okay, see here, how many people help to get the food you eat or we eat? Have you imagined? Have you ever imagined? Have you idea? Yes, the food, how it came. There are so many people and there are so many processes involved to reach the raw materials, raw food to our homes. Understood? How we get the food? Here so many people involved in this process. So many people and there are so many processes involved to reach the raw materials to our homes. Raw food or raw materials to reach our home. You can see farmer is working very hard. Understood? Farmer grow the crops, isn't it? He produce crops. We get raw materials from farmers. He only doing work? No. In this process, so many people, so many process involved in this agriculture. Okay, when the farmer agriculturing, here so many members, so many people work here. Farmer is working very hard. Here we see farmer. Farmer is very hard working. to produce the raw food material. Understood? Who produce the raw food material? Farmer. He is a very hard working to produce the raw material or raw food. Understood? Farmer needs land. How he produce? He want land, and then he want water, and then seeds. See open your book, page number 47. Here have one chart given below. Observe this, okay? First, how we get the food? Here, hard working farmer is hard working for produce the raw material or food. How he produce the crops? How he produce the food? Farmer needs land, water, seeds and fertilizers, and he want fertilizers. And he want fertilizer to produce the crops. Okay. In order, how he get the water for farming? In order to get the water from well, water sources, well, borewell and canal. Okay. These are the sources of water of farmer. Okay. In order to get water from well, canal, borewell. Understood? Here how many members working here? So many members working here. Borewell diggers have to dig the well. Understood? First, diggers dig the well. When the well is founded, once the well is founded, when the canal is founded, we need pipe. Then we need pipe and pump set to more water from one place to another place. Okay. Next, here electric linemen also provide power to the pump set. See here how many members here involved in this process. So many members involved in this process. First we see, when the farmer produce the products or produce crops, he want land, and after he need water. How he get the water? He get the water from well, borewell and canal. Okay. Well, how it come? When the diggers dig the land and dig the well, once the well is founded, once canal is founded, he need pipe. He need pipe and pump set to more water from one place to another place. Understood? And then there is electric man also doing work. Electric man or electric line man to provide power to the pump sets. Then farmer easily get the water for growing crops. Okay. For growing crops. Next, after the water, he needs seeds. Who needs seeds? Farmer needs seeds. How it come? Farmer needs seeds to grow food materials and fertilizers used to improve the quality of soil. Here farmer, he used seeds and fertilizer for the improve the quality of soil. Understood, children? Once again, after the water, farmer needs seeds to grow the food materials and fertilizers used to improve the quality of soil. Okay, why he used fertilizers? He used fertilizers, he improved the quality of soil. Okay, next fertilizer. Why he used fertilizer? How it come? Fertilizers and seeds. Fertilizers come from fertilizers. It come from fertilizers. Fertilizers. Okay. Here also so many members, so many people doing work. How they prepare fertilizers? How they manufacturing? See here, fertilizers come from fertilizers come from fertilizers, processors, bag makers, bag fillers, weavers. Process are involved to have the fertilizers. See here, how many members working here? In this process, we see bag makers, processors, bag fillers, weighers, transports, merchants, and so many processes are involved, or so many persons also. So many persons also involved to have the fertilizers. Understood? Next one is, farmer want insecticides. He need insecticides. Insecticide. Insecticide. Farmer want insecticides. How we get insecticides? Farmer need insecticide. Why he used insecticides? Because to prevent insects and pests eating away the crops. Okay. Why he want insecticide? Farmer need insecticide to prevent insects and pests away the crops, eating away the crops. Okay. Understood? Here we see researchers in how it prepare or how it making. Here we see researchers, manufacturers, workers and merchants. So many people involved in this process. Then farmer get insecticides. Okay, why he used to prevent insects and pests eating away the crops. Next, to develop the insecticide, so many researchers has to be done. So many researchers has to be done. Researchers, manufacturing, we need workers and merchants to sell. And there are agricultural laborers also doing the work, and they need transport. After these are the process. After this process, when the crops grows, he need transport. To transport the crops, farmer need transport. After transportation, it will reach to the wholesale merchant. It will reach to the wholesale merchant. Insecticide after workers also here doing work. Workers means agricultural laborers. And then when he produce the crops, he want transport. Farmer wants transport. Okay. He want vehicle driver and laborers also transport transport the food materials or crops. Okay, it will reach to the wholesale merchant by transportation. Understood? It will reach to the wholesale merchant or broker. Merchant. He want merchant also. Merchant. Wholesale merchant or a broker. Okay. Merchant, what he did, form a wholesale merchant or a broker, it will go to the local provision store. You see local provision store where you will buy the products, food materials, isn't it? Merchants or a broker, he will go to the local provision store. From local provision store we will buy easily raw material. Understood? How we will get raw material? How many members here working? So many members here doing work, isn't it? After the merchant, he will go to the local provision store. From local provision store, we will buy raw material, food. Okay? Are you getting the idea? How many process and how many people working here involved to get the raw material, raw food material to our homes. Okay? How many people have worked to get the food we eat? Understood? Think of those people who toil behind the manufacturing of clothes we wear, building houses we live in. Understood? So many members working here. Building houses we live in, etc. Work will not be completed without a single person in this chain. We already learned. Understood? In this chain, work will not be completed without a single person in this chain. Okay, every person also important in this chain. So many members working here. We should not forget that many people have worked hard for the production of goods and food items we use. Now we use so many food and goods, behind so many people work. We should respect each and everyone, every jobs also. Understood? We should respect each and every job's occupation and also respect each and every person in the community. You know that there should be different occupations for the development of a community with the occupations which provide basic needs of the community. Okay? There should be different occupations for the development of a community with the occupation which provide basic needs of the community. If everyone becomes lawyer, everyone becomes doctor, engineer, what happened? Our community will become very boring, isn't it? Once again, everyone in society, everyone becomes engineer, same profession. Everyone becomes lawyer or everyone becomes doctor. Understood? Or sportsman. What happened? Our community is very boring, will be very boring, isn't it? That's why if we have different occupation, our community there will be so many opportunity will grow ourselves. That's why we have different occupations. Our community there will be so many occupations or opportunity will grow ourselves. We find our community very interesting. Look at pictures, so many occupations you can see here, isn't it? Page number 49, see here, look at the picture. Who are they? How are they useful to us? Isn't it? In this picture, here you can see a person People are going to gym. For exercise and have a proper fitness. Why people going to gym? Because they have fitness, proper fitness. That's why they are going to gym to exercise and have a proper fitness. Here you can see a person actually as artist. Okay. What he did? What he is doing here? He drawing a beautiful picture or painting. Understood? See here a person actually, and he is a artist. He is an artist. He drawing a beautiful painting, isn't it? Next one is here you can see a singer, a doll maker, sportsman, and then we see here TV anchor and dancers, isn't it? TV anchor and group of dancer and so many others occupations here we will see. Understood? In a community, along with people who manufacture and supply things, people who clean the environment, and people who provide the basic necessities of life, we also need people who entertain us, give happiness, give information and relief. Understood? Everybody in the community had to contribute for its development. Everybody in the community has to contribute for its development. Remember that every occupation has its own value, isn't it? Every occupation have its own value, and no occupation is superior and no occupation is inferior, isn't it? We should respect all occupations. When somebody in the community is in trouble, when somebody in the community is trouble, what we will do? We will help them. When somebody is trouble in our community, when others will help them. When somebody in the community is in trouble, others will help them. Okay. It's commonly seen in the rural community than the urban community. If there are natural calamities happen, natural calamities such as floods, droughts, earthquakes, etc. and other natural calamities happen, what we will do? For example, last year we were hit by the heavy floods in North Karnataka, isn't it? Last year we were hit by the heavy floods in north side of Karnataka. What we will do? So many people around our communities help the affected area people or affected people. This is humanity. Understood? Every person is a part of the community. Every person is the part of the community. Community is formed by every member living in the community. It is not possible to live without community. Without community or without cooperation of community. Understood? We also live in community. Community is formed by every member living in the community. It is not possible to live without the cooperation of community. So, when situations demands, we should help others in the community. Understood? When situations demand, we should help others in the community people. Okay? Thank you.